back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So back here in the electrical room, we did get to our destination point in the hallway, so we're done in the hallway. I'll show you guys that here in a second. But we did get into the room. As you know, on Friday we just had a nub right here, so I added a coupling on, and we did about 34 inches to that guy, so that's strapped within 3 foot that way. And then we're gonna add another support going over to the wall right here, and then that'll be strapped within 3 feet of everywhere, so everything will be good. So I got a back-to-back 90 right there. This is in 3/4. Got a little piece right here, which will be, that's just sitting there for now for the shutdown. So that's why these two-piece connectors are great for that scenario. So you already have your pipe ready to go. You just drill your hole, tighten up your connector, and you're ready to go. So I got that done right there, added the box right there. And then we got this mounted over here. This is just sitting here. We got the 4 holes drilled right here for the 1 inch. Same scenario, we're gonna have to take this box down to drill our 4 holes during the shutdown. And then we will go ahead and then put these 6-inch pieces in there. We got 4 of them. We're gonna take out like 24, 26 circuits into this box. So we mounted some 1 5/8 strut right there. And then we got our 1/4 inch hardware right there, 1/4 inch strut nut, 1/4 inch, 1/4 20s right there. So got that all done. Lock nuts, or lock washers. Anyways, you get the idea. Got those on there, so that's all ready to go. So we found this box in the laydown, we're just reusing that. There's the cover right there, so that's all ready to go. Just have to pretty much hold these up level tomorrow and then circle our holes out, obviously taking off the connectors. So we'll just mark our holes for those 4 on the side of this box right there. Mark this hole up here, right there, and then pretty much be done in here for now. Nothing is coming out of the top for now. And then those pipes will be ready to go there for the shutdown. I'm doing another shutdown tomorrow for something else. I don't even know. I don't even know what time I'm coming in tomorrow, so I have to figure that out with Steven. Me and Steven are gonna do a shutdown tomorrow morning. If you guys remember 30 days ago, we set up the CT, I don't even know what they're called anymore. Got the phase, I don't even know what I'm saying. Got the phase measures downstairs, so I have to take that off because it's been 30 days to measure the voltage on that. So anyways, or the amperage or whatever they were doing, they're measuring that. So we're taking that off tomorrow morning, so me and Steve are gonna do that. But anyways, it's turned out pretty good after I straightened it out. Coming down here, had to turn that a little bit to straighten it out on both sides. But anyways, I'll show you outside. Turn the light off there. Oh Lord, this door is so heavy. So we went ahead and finished down into this room, right about down there. We turned in there, and I will show you what that looks like if I can. All right, so we poked in right above here. So there's a stud up there, we strapped it there. Also the pipe is sitting right there, probably gonna add another C conduit right here, and then put like a 10-foot piece going over to the other stud, and then just go down the wall 90 around the corner, and then once again into that spot down there like you saw on Friday. So right to that hole right there. So 90 right about somewhere in here, straight into there, mount a box. So yeah, it was a good day, successful, got everything done and more that we wanted to. Just really happy to get into this room, done with the containment cart. So yeah, really good day. And that's pretty much gonna wrap it up. All right, everybody, thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I did return the Nipex 12-inch to UPS today, and so I got my refund already, and I just ordered the 10-inch ones with the comfort grips, so those should be coming here on Wednesday, so I'm excited about that. But anyways, hopefully hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like I said, God bless. See you in the next one, and hopefully you stick around, like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Love you guys. Peace.